Hey guys, how to write your education section on your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your profile on LinkedIn, right? Scroll a little bit down to find your education, right, which is here. Now what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit the pencil next to whatever information you added there, right? So now what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead or you just go ahead and add the institution or university, depends really on your education, and the degree. If your school calculates or measures the basically how successful or how did you pass this following exam, did you pass it using percentage or GTP or GAD, really depends really on how your school measures your your qualification. And then you're gonna select the field of study. Obviously in the grade, depends really on how your school use the scoring method for for basically qualify you to become or to pass this exam or pass this topic or subject or even degree. And then the activities and societies, right, and what you did when you were enrolled in this study, right? And of course you're gonna add the starting year and the ending, right? When did you enrolled and when did you graduated? And eventually you're gonna add a description if you want to add following information, like we did certain activities or I received a medal of honor in certain fields, or to qualify or to make your basically to make your appearance or to make your time in this university or this institution worthwhile, right? How many certificates you got, how many degree, how many basically appreciation kind of trophies you received also. So that really matters if you want to add it in the description and you didn't have the space to add it in your activities or societies. So you can add placement committee, sports team, theater, maybe scout, if you're kind of person who went to scout and actually learn something there, you can just go ahead and add it in the description. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.